We have a PGDM HRM course. We have Dr. Vivek. He is the coordinator, HRM course. He is also joint coordinator placements. And there is joint coordinator for HRM course, Sinju. Dr. Sinju Shankar. She is there in the panels. We will be meeting her. Over to Vivek. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. A very good morning to respected director, dean, my faculty colleagues, parents, and dear students. So, PGDM HRM started in the year 2012. It is the youngest program at IP. And any student who is willing to pursue their career in the area of HR. So this would be suitable because it has been designed to meet the needs of the HR industry. So we have subjects which are contemporary in nature like workforce metrics, HR analytics, digitalization of HR. And also we give equal importance to traditional subjects like industrial relations, labor laws, business laws, etc. For example, and we regularly update our syllabus, not only apart from including contemporary subjects, we update our regular syllabus also. For example, there has been a change in the laws which has been introduced by Government of India, that all the laws are being brought into 4 codes. So it has been included in our syllabus. So we are in touch with industry. So we try to take updates. We are in touch with the current affairs, what is happening, and we try to inculcate it in our syllabus. So that is what is advantageous. So PGDM HRM, any student who joins first year, they will be taken through basics of marketing, HR, finance, operations, systems, and business analytics. Second year, by default, HR is one of the specialization. And apart from that, they have the opportunity of choosing one more. So already you would have gone through the basics of all these subjects. So you're already comfortable with HR, because of which you have chosen HRM. And second subject can be chosen after going through all these basics. And major advantage or the USP of the program is, in the 6th trimester, all the students are expected to work with the industry. Apart from SIP, this is exclusive for PGDM HRM. So you will have LTP. In the 6th trimester, students will be working with the industry in the form of long-term project. So the advantage over here is, this may get converted into a PPO. So you can choose between your PPO or the offer which is being given through campus. So this is an added advantage to the students who are joining PGDM HRM. So apart from this, all the other features which my colleagues and Dean sir and Director sir has already told are included in the program. And apart from this, if you have anything else, you need more details, more particulars into the program, I would be glad to clear all your doubts. And with this, I end, and all the best to you all.
Thank you, Dr. Vivek. Dr. Vivek is Professor of HR and OB. And Dr. Sinju is Professor of HR and OB, and she is also involved in accreditation team. Dr. Sinju Shankar.